Jacob, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hummus. So what you're going to need is 1 can of chickpeas, 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, and some salt. Let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow veggie hummus. First, I'm going to take the hummus and I'm going to spread it on the wrap. Next, I'm going to grate some carrots. Next, I'm going to chop up some cucumbers. Next, I'm going to chop up some spinach, cabbage, and peppers. Now I'm going to roll up my pinwheel. Now it's time for the taste test. Well,